Hello friends, now in this video we will start the miscellaneous exercise for the chapter number 4, and particularly in this video I will cover only the multiple choice questions. Now let us start the miscellaneous exercise. Miscellaneous exercise 4. Choose the correct option from the given alternatives. I have taken only the questions and their answers. You can decide whether which options is the correct one. Now integral 2 to 3 dx upon x into in bracket x cube minus 1. Now to solve this integral, that is, see this here, I is equals to lower limit 2 to upper limit 3. That is integral from the lower limit 2 to 3 dx upon x in bracket x cube minus 1, that's equals to 2 to 3. We will adjust here plus x cube and minus x cube. तुम्हाला इथे काय ऍडजस्ट करायचं हे सर्व प्रॅक्टिसने आपल्याला ते जमत असतं. ते एक्स क्यूब मायनस इन ब्रॅकेट एक्स क्यूब minus 1 upon x into x cube minus 1 dx. Now separate these, that is the integral 2 to 3 x cube upon x into in bracket x cube minus 1. 1 x will get cancelled and you will get x square upon x cube minus 1 dx minus integral lower limit 2 to upper limit 3. Now next is x cube minus 1, these two terms get cancelled and you will get 1 upon x dx. And here is a adjust 3 from the numerator and the denominator because the derivative of the denominator is a 3x square. Therefore, we will write here 1 by 3 integral 2 to 3 3x square upon x cube minus 1 dx minus. What is the integral of dx upon x? It's a log of x. Lower limit is 2, upper limit is 3. That is the log of lower limit is 2 and upper limit is 3, and integrate, substitute. Now integration of this, that is a 3x square upon x cube minus 1, which is the form f dash of x upon f of x, and its integral is a log of x cube minus 1, lower limit is 2, upper limit is 3. Substitute the value. For this second integral is also दुसऱ्या इंटिग्रल मध्ये देखील log of 3 minus log of 2 टाकणार, आणि पहिल्याच्या बाबतीत बघा x is replaced by 3. 2 raised to 3 means what? 27 minus 1 minus 2 raised to 3, 8 minus 1 in bracket is complete minus log of 3 minus log of 2. 27 minus 1, that is the log of 26 minus log of 7. Take 1 by 3 as a common, then you will get 1 by 3 log of 26 upon 7 minus. Now in this case, we will adjust here 1 by 3. ते 1 by 3 आपण adjust केलंय बघा. 1 by 3 आहे का याच्यामध्ये? नाही. 1 by 3, 3 log of 3 minus 3 log of 2. Now by using the rules of the logarithm, that is the 3 log of 3 means what? Log of 3 raised to 3, and 3 raised to 3 means what? 27, and here is a 3 log of 2 means what? Log of 2 raised to 3, and log of 2 raised to 3 is 8, and that's why take again 1 by 3 as a common, and then you will get the answer, that is a log of 27 minus log of 8 means what? That is the log of 27 upon 8, log of 26 upon 7. Take 1 by 3 as common, and then what's the sign between them, these two logs? That is a minus. Therefore log of m minus log of n means what? Log of m upon n, and in this way that is 1 by 3 log of 26 upon 7 into 8 upon 27, and if you simplify then you will get, that is the I is equals to 1 by 3 log of 208 upon 189 in this, and that's the option A is the correct one. Next, integral 0 to pi by 2 sin square x dx upon 1 plus cos x bracket square. Now again this very simple integral, that is sin square x means what? 1 minus cos square x. Separate karate, that is you will get 1 plus cos x and 1 minus cos x. 1 plus cos x from the numerator and the denominator will get cancelled, and you will get integral 0 to pi by 2 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x dx. What is the formula for 1 minus cos x? That is the 2 sin square x upon 2. 1 plus cos x is a 2 cos square x upon 2. 2 get cancelled, and you will get, that is the integral 0 to pi by 2 tan square x by 2 dx. But what is the formula for tan square x by 2? That is the sec square x by 2 minus 1, and hence its integral is a, that is a 2 tan of x by 2 minus integral of x. 1 is x, and the integral of sec square x by 2 is the tan of x by 2 upon 1 upon 2, and that's तो multiplied and reciprocal होऊन कसा आला तर 2 tan of x by 2 minus x, and lower limit is 0, upper limit is pi by 2. Substitute the values, and then you will get 2 tan of pi by 4 minus pi by 2. Lower limit is 0 and What is the tan of pi by 4 is 1. That is a 2 into 1 is 2 minus pi by 2. And overall, if we simplify, then I is equals to 4 minus pi upon 2. And option A is the correct one. Number 3, I is equals to integral 0 to log of 5 e raised to x into in root of e raised to x minus 1 upon e raised to x plus 3 dx. And see this here, multiply the numerator and the denominator of this integral by a root of e raised to x minus 1 to the numerator and the denominator. Therefore, our integral becomes 0 to log of 5. आता हे कसं मल्टिप्लाय वगैरे करायचं ते इंटिग्रल आपल्याला ते सॉल्व्ह करायचंय. वेगवेगळ्या टेक्निक्स आपल्याला ते अप्लाय करावे लागतात त्यासाठी आणि तुम्हाला भरपूर त्या अभ्यास केल्यानंतर तुम्हाला तशी त्या प्रकारची जजमेंट मिळेल. That integral 0 to log of 5 e raised to x root of e raised to x minus 1 into root of e raised to x minus 1. Its product is e raised to x minus 1 upon e raised to x plus 3 into root of e raised to x minus 1 dx. Now substitute here root of e raised to x minus 1 is equals to t. Then it's a derivative, that is e raised to x upon in under root of e raised to x minus 1 dx is equals to, it's a derivative is that is a 2 dt. Change, we will change the also limit. When x is equals to 0, e raised to 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, that is t is equals to 0. When upper limit is log of 5, and that is x is equals to log of 5, that is t is equals to in root of e raised to log of 5. That is e raised to log of 5 याचा बेस किती असणार तर e असणार आहे. Then its a value is e raised to log of 5 ची value किती येणार तर 5 minus 1. That is 4 root of 4 is 2, and then we will get the value of t is equals to 2. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is 2, and hence the integral is 0 to 2 t square upon t square plus 4 into 2 into dt, and we'll adjust here the terms are like this. Take 2 outside this integral sign. Integral 0 to 2 t square plus 4 minus 4 करना split up करना, t square plus 4 upon t square plus 4 get cancelled. You will get that is the 0 to 2 1 dt minus 8 0 to 2 dt upon 2 into 4, that will be the 8 0 to 2 dt upon t square plus 4. What about the integral of 1? Integral of 1 is t, and lower limit is 0, upper limit is 2, and that's why I substitute upper limit and lower limit, you will get 2 into 2, that is 4. What about the second integral च्या बाबतीत काय ना तर tan inverse of t upon 2. Substitute t is equals to 2. Then tan inverse of 1. What about the next lower limit? That is the t is equals to 0. Tan inverse of 0. Tan inverse of 0 is 0. Tan inverse of 1. What about the tan inverse of 1? That is a pi by 4. And you will get 4 in bracket pi by 4 minus 0. 4 get cancelled. And hence the answer is I is equals to 4 minus 5. And hence option B is the correct one. That is a 4 minus 5. And there will be the correction, some alternatives B असेल किंवा तो C असेल, but this is the answer, that is a 4 minus 5. Question number 4, integral 0 to pi by 2 sin x raised to 6 into cos square x dx. Now see this integral 0 to pi by 2 sin of x raised to 6 into cos x square dx. Now this cos square x can be written as 1 minus sin square x into dx, and multiplied with the sin square x with 1 and sin square x raised to 6 into sin square x. That is the integral 0 to pi by 2 sin of x raised to 6 minus sin of x raised to 8 dx. And then you will get integral 0 to pi by 2 sin of x raised to n dx is equals to n minus 1 upon n 0 to pi by 2. Now again I will repeat this. That is the integral 0 to pi by 2 sin of x raised to n dx is equals to n minus 1 upon n 0 to pi by 2 sin of x raised to n minus 2 dx. And in this way, if we follow this formula, take that is if we reduce integral 0 to pi by 2 sin of x raised to 8 in this manner, then you will get 8. That is n minus 1. That is 8 minus 1 is a 7 upon n. N means what? 8. म्हणजे 0 to pi by 2 sin of x raised to 8 dx. याला जर हा फॉर्म्युला आपण अप्लाय केला तर आपल्याला किती मिळेल? n minus 1 upon 8. n is replaced by 8. Then you will get 7 upon 8, 0 to pi by 2 sin of x raised to 6. Now take the integral sin of x raised to 6 as a common. then you will get the 1 minus 7 upon 8, and if you simplify it, then you will get that is the 1 upon 8. Now simplify this integral 0 to pi by 2 sine of x raised to 6 dx, and if we again apply this formula, that is n minus 1 upon n, integral 0 to pi by 2, and then you will get 5 by 6 into 3 by 4 into 1 upon 2 0 to pi by 2 sine of x raised to 0 dx. If you apply this formula, then what is the value of this integral? That is a sine of x raised to 0 means what? 1 dx, and 0 to pi by 2. Therefore, you will get x 0 to pi by 2, and if you multiply it, then you will get that is a I is equals to 5 pi upon 256. Next, problem number 5. If I is equals to integral 0 to 1 dx upon in under root of 1 plus x minus root of x is equals to k by 3, then k is equals to, that is we want to find out the value of the k. If we completed the study of the chapter number 3 and the chapter number 4, then you can understand this all the multiple choice. Now to solve this multiple choice, that is we will multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate factor of this, that is the root of 1 plus x minus root x. मग याचा conjugate factor किती येणार? तर root of 1 plus x plus root x, आणि मग numeratorला तोच राहणार आहे. That is integral 0 to 1 in square bracket root of 1 plus x plus root x dx by the rationalizing the denominator, and now integrate this. That is you will get the integral of this is a x plus 1 raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 means what? It's a multiple and reciprocal. You will get 2 by 3 into x plus 1 raised to 3 by 2 plus root of x integral किती येणार? x raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, then you will get 2 by 3, 0 to 1. Now substitute x is equals to 1, take 2 by 3 as a common. As x is equals to 1, then you will get 1 plus 1 raised to 3 by 2 plus x is 1, that is 1 raised to 2 by 3 minus lower limit. Substitute x is equals to 0, then this will become that is 1 raised to 3 by 2, again here 0, then you will get here 0. And if you evaluate this, that is a 2 by 3 in square bracket, that is a 2 into 2 raised to 3 by 2. 2 raised to 3 by 2 means what? 2 into 2 raised to 1 upon 2, that is a 2 root 2 in this way. What about here? Here is a plus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled, and then you will get 2 by 3 into 2 raised to 3 by 2. And again, if we evaluate this, 2 raised to 3 by 2 म्हणजे काय? 2 into root 2, and 2 into 2 किती होणार? तर 4. That is a 4 upon 3 into root 2, and that is equals to k by 3. Well, given it's a k by 3. From the left and right, that is a 3 get cancelled, and then you will get k is equals to 4 root 2, and that is answer. Option D हा त्यामध्ये correct असणार आहे. Question number 6, integral 1 to 2 1 upon x square into e raised to 1 upon x dx. Very simple integral. Put 1 upon x is equals to t, then minus 1 upon x square into dx is equals to dt. Therefore 1 upon x square dx is equals to minus dt. Lower limit x is equals to 1, then t is equals to 1, x is equals to 2, t is equals to 1 upon 2. Then you will get the integral I is equals to, that is lower limit is 1, upper limit is 1 upon 2 e raised to t in bracket minus dt. Take minus sign outside the bracket, e raised to t, lower limit is 1, upper limit is 1 upon 2. Substitute upper limit minus lower limit, that is a minus e raised to 1 upon 2 minus e raised to 1, and you will get, if you operate the negative signs जर याच्यात आपण ऑपरेट केलं तर तुम्हाला काय मिळतं? e minus e raised to 1 upon 2. Take e raised to 1 upon 2 as a common, then you will get e raised to 1 upon 2 minus 1. E raised to 1 upon 2 means what? Root of e in bracket 2t minus 1, and the option C is the correct one. Question number 7. If integral 2 to e in square bracket 1 upon log x minus 1 upon log x bracket square dx is equals to a plus b log of 2. Okay. Then what is the value of a and b ची व्हॅल्यू काय असेल? तर आपण हे इंटिग्रल सॉल्व करणार. व्हेरी सिंपल इंटिग्रल, that is log of x is equals to t. Then what is the value of x? x is equals to e raised to t. हा लॉगरिथमिक फंक्शन आहे, त्याचं कन्वर्जन कशामध्ये झालंय? तर एक्सपोनेन्शियल मध्ये झालंय. Therefore x is equals to e raised to t. तर dx is equals to e raised to t into dt when x is equals to 2. Okay, when x is equal, now we will change the limit. Limit आपण यामध्ये बदल करणार आहोत. When x is equals to t, then you will get t is equals to log of 2. When x is equals to e, then you will get t is equals to log of e. What is the value of log of e? Is 1. Therefore our whole integral हे काय होणार आहे? चेंज होणार आहे. dx ची व्हॅल्यू किती आली e raised to t into dt, e raised to t into dt. लोअर लिमिट किती आलं तर log of 2, अपर लिमिट किती आलं तर 1 e raised to t in bracket 1 upon t minus 1 upon t square bracket complete into dt. And again, what is that? 1 upon t is f of x, f of t, and f dash of t means what? Minus 1 upon t square. Therefore, you will get in square bracket e raised to t upon t, lower limit is log of 2, upper limit is 1. So, replace t by 1, t च्या जागी काय टाकणार तर 1 टाकणार, e minus e raised to log of 2 upon log of 2, and compare this. If we compare this, that a plus b upon log of 2, the value of a is equals to e, and the value of that is a b is equals to minus 2, and hence option कोणता correct असणार आहे? The option A is a correct one. That is a is equals to e and b is equals to minus 2. Normal integration तुम्हाला ते solve करायचे. Now the problem number 8. Let I is equals to lower limit integral e to e square dx upon log of x, and I2 is equals to integral 1 to 2 e raised to x upon x dx. Then what will that? The options upon integral 1 solve करणार. Put log of x is equals to t, then x is equals to e raised to t. Therefore dx is equals to e raised to t into dt पाहिजे तिथे. By mistake I had written x only. Here must be dt. Okay. Now we'll change the limit when x is equals to e. When x is equals to e, that is a t is equals to log of e. Log of the value of the log of e is 1. Therefore t is equals to 1. When x is equals to e square, when x is equals to e square, then t is equals to log of e square. Then you will get that's the value is 2. Therefore t is equals to 2. Therefore I1 is equals to, that is lower limit is 1, upper limit is 2, e raised to t dt upon t, and that is nothing but change in the variable property ते आपण apply करणार. Integral a to b f of x dx is equals to integral a to b f of t dt. म्हणजेच हे आपल्याला काय मिळालं तर I2 मिळाला. That is which option is the correct one? That is option D is the correct one. I1 is equals to I2. म्हणजेच हे दोन्ही इंटिग्रल्स काय तर इनडायरेक्टली तर ते सेम आहे. Problem number 9. I is equals to integral 0 to 9 root of x upon root x plus in root of 9 minus x dx. And now we'll apply the here property, one of the famous property, that integral 0 to a f of x dx is equals to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. If you apply this property, then add these two integrals, that is a 1 and 2, then you will get I plus I, that is a 2i to the left hand side, and for the right hand side, integral 0 to 9 root x plus in root of 9 minus x upon root x plus in root of 9 minus x. Now numerator and denominator get cancelled, then 2i is equals to 0 to 9 dx, and what is integral of dx is x, 0 to 9, substitute upper limit minus lower limit, that is a 2i is equals to 9, and therefore I is equals to 9 by 2, and hence option B is the correct one. Now next, the value of integral minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 log of 2 plus sin x upon 2 minus sin x dx. Now what type of this function is? That is a sin of x, that is an odd function, and hence integral minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4 log of 2 plus sin theta. Sorry, if I repeated that variable is x, but here is a theta. That integral minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4 log of 2 plus sin theta upon 2 minus sin theta into d theta, that is equals to 0. हे आपण कशावरून जज केलं की इथे मायनस पाय बाय 4 टू प्लस पाय बाय 4, आपल्याला आपल्या मनात शंका निर्माण झाली पाहिजे. That is the what type of this function is odd or even, but there is a sign, it's an odd function, and hence overall that integral, definite integral value is a 0, and hence option A is a correct one. And in this way I had completed all the multiple choice question from the miscellaneous exercise 4. Now we'll see in the next video, next question. Till then, goodbye.